Watertight integrity. What is watertight integrity? Watertight integrity refers to the ship's ability to prevent water from entering or passing through its structure. The hull is divided into separate compartments by watertight bulkheads and decks. These divisions act barriers, ensuring that if one area is breached, water cannot flow freely into other parts of the vessel. Why is it important? Prevents sinking. If the ship sustains damage, water will only flood the specific compartments that are compromised. Because the other compartments remain sealed and dry, the ship retains enough buoyancy to stay afloat, even if one or more compartments are completely flooded. How is it maintained? Keep doors and hatches closed. All watertight doors, hatches, and scrap piers must be properly closed and secured when not in use, especially during bad weather. Watertight integrity is the ship's first and most critical line of defense against sinking. It is essentially the life insurance of the vessel. Without it, even a small hole can lead to total loss of the ship and lives. Therefore, preserving watertight integrity is a fundamental responsibility of everyone on board.